Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix failed to connect to the game ID-17 in Roblox. And if you want to know how to fix it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to click on the start button, then search for CMD or the command prompt. And once you're here, what you need to do is to type ipconfig space /flush DNS and click on enter. And now right here, what you need to do is to type netsh and winsock. Okay, now click on OK. Then now, just go ahead and type exit. Okay, so that is the first step that you need to do. Now for the second step, what you need to do, or second method, rather, go to settings, then go to network and internet, then go to Ethernet, right here. Okay, so now click for the IP settings, click on edit. So there, edit. Okay, so for the preferred DNS, what you need to type is 1.1.1.1. Okay, and for the alternate DNS, what you need to type is 1.0.0.1. Okay, and now click on save. And once it is saved, what you need to do is to restart your device. Okay, and that should fix failed to connect to the game ID-17 in Roblox. Okay, and I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.